Hey guys, it's Gary with RPM Diecast, and today we have an INNO64 Ferrari F40 in full carbon. It is beautiful. I just came in, as you can see. I haven't even unwrapped it yet. But we'll jump into this, we'll get it unboxed, and then we'll come back after, and I'll give you my thoughts. I think the pictures I've seen are beautiful. I have not opened it. I'm going to see it first time just like you guys. Yeah, we'll go jump in, and then we'll be right back. That was the Liberty Walk Ferrari F40 in full carbon. It is die cast, but it's got a like carbon fiber wrap or livery. I don't know how you want to say it, but it's beautiful. It is beautiful. I hope the camera did it justice. It is a gorgeous car. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and keep on collecting.